you're here. We were supposed to meet 40 minutes ago with the guys from Astrophile about the emergency capital injection.
As we discussed, our North Carolina plant went sideways. So we need 15 million now, or we'll have to shut down.
Have any of you ever eaten at Burger King?
Yes. Why?
Well, I was just driven past one. And while I know their market cap is $7 billion plus, I realize I am unfamiliar with their offerings.
Okay, fine. But what does that have to do?
Is it popular among your peers? Is it enjoyed?
People seem to like it.
That's okay.
And their selection consists solely of these burgers, of which they are presumably king.
They have other things? Chicken, fish.
I'm sorry, what are we doing here?
Here's what we will do. Monica, have one of the assistants go to the nearest Burger King location and purchase one of everything. This is which one?
The BK double stacker.
Fascinating.
Peter, I know that you are incredibly busy with this, but I made a personal promise to the Astrophile guys that none of their employees would lose their job, which will happen at midnight.
Do you see this?
The Junior Whopper.
No, not the sandwich. This seed atop the breading.
Those are sesame seeds.
A high number of these breadings have sesame seeds on them. Billions of breadings. Sesame seeds. They only grow in certain microclimates.
Peter, I know that you don't want to cause 173 people in North Carolina.
Cicadas?
Need an answer, and we need it now.
Yes?
We need money now. And I'm sure that Burger King and sesame seeds and whatever else you've been mumbling about in here all seem lovely to think about, but they have...
Myanmar and Brazil.
No more of this, okay? Are we getting the money or not? Will you please just tell us what the hell is going on?
Amusing coincidence that 2 of the 3 countries that provide the world's sesame seeds have such large cicada populations, no? The cicadas of Myanmar emerge every 13 years, while the Brazilian cicadas emerge every 17. Next year, they will hatch simultaneously for the first time in 221 years. Crops from both countries will be decimated. Unlike Myanmar and Brazil, Indonesia has no cicada population. I was surprised to see Indonesian sesame seed futures priced so low. I made a purchase. And now, if the shortage spikes the global price even 10%, we'll profit, Evan?
$68 million.
If you wish, I could tap that projected revenue and make you a bridge loan of $15 million, gentlemen. Unless you need more?
No, thank you. Holy shit.
Yes? Happy?
See? I told you he was taking care of it.
And now, would anyone like some BK? Evan was kind enough to go out and get breakfast. It's just sitting here.
Actually, I'd love some.
Thank you.
So much.
Is there cumin in this barbecue sauce?
I will definitely find out.
Please do.